Wow, beautiful. Such a chilled setting. I am so chilled. But you can understand why I've come to Krakow. I'm sure you can understand. Just look how beautiful it is. Oh, it looks like these places you can stay in. Definitely gonna have to look into this. I wouldn't mind spending a couple of nights on the river. It's like a boat hotel. Definitely gonna stay here. When I get back, I'm gonna have a look and see if I can book a room for a couple of nights. What I normally do when I'm coming to this part of the city is I rent a electric scooter, and it's a great way to get around. And just look at this beautiful route we're on. In the background there you can see the castle. It dates back to the 11th century and it's one of the first UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So the sun's in that direction, so you probably can't see much. We've got the bridge there and a tram coming across. These boats here, they're like little bars. I had a beer on one of these last Tuesday. Bit of a closer up of the castle. See lots of tourists there. There's a little market in front of the castle just selling a load of typical touristy stuff. I'm following this route. I'm just walking around the river, probably in about an hour and a half. We'll go and get lunch. Got some swans here, looks like with babies as well maybe. Get a bit closer. Okay, no babies, but pigeons and swans. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but there's like a hazy mist coming in. Further along this route there's a beautiful park that I want to check out, and down here I think is where the botanical gardens are, and I'd like to check that out as well, so that'll be another little trip out. So my Monday morning started around 6 AM. I had a shower, I cleaned my apartment, and then I did some work for 2 hours. So the rest of my routine really on a Monday and every day really is having 4 hours out exploring, walking, getting some exercise, and I'm trying to do that every day. I must admit I've become quite lazy, but I do need to try and get out more often. So I was right down there when I last spoke to you. I've walked all the way up over the bridge and then down here. Some really interesting architecture around here, and as you can see autumn is definitely here with the leaves. Now the leaves are falling off the trees, going brown. Right, it is time to go and head for lunch. Definitely pierogi and a small beer since I have to work this afternoon. Well, that will teach me. The place I was going to go for lunch is closed. Don't know if it just closed on Monday or not, but okay. Well, apologies for the pierogi and beer mishap. I'm now going to show you some landscape shots of Krakow at sunset.